Good afternoon, good morning, good evening, everyone. It is 3:24 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on this Tuesday, the 6th of April 2021. Taking a look at Cardano here. We took a look at it last few weeks. We've been taking a look at Cardano. But one of the trades that I talked about going into the weekend was looking at going long on Cardano if we get a close that is above the Kijun Sen at 125. So today's been really, really wild on Cardano. The volume so far today, we've got another about 4.5 hours until a new daily candle opens, or this one closes, however you want to look at it. But, we are looking at the volume today being the greatest volume that Cardano has had since the 26th of March. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. This is the highest volume in the last 11 days. And it is well over, I guess you could just say it's double. Let's see, this was 81.13 million. Now it's over double, a little more than double what yesterday's volume was. And we're getting a pretty nice drive up here. Now, this candlestick pattern is actually a very, very nice one called Three White Soldiers. Some people will disagree with that, but we have 3 consecutive daily candles where the close is above the open. We have higher lows, higher highs, higher closes. That is a very bullish sign and usually indicates a major breakout. If we do close above the Kijun Sen and above this high volume node, expect things to really spike up over a short period of time. The whole market has been expanding pretty nicely. A lot of the altcoin market has, but then you look at Cardano and it's been sitting relatively flat. To me, that's not a bad thing. When you look at a lot of the other altcoins, Cardano is holding its value better than almost all of the altcoins out there. It's not experiencing dramatic volatility, 10-20% drops like a lot of the altcoin market is. I mean, Cardano is sitting very nicely, and the next expansion move is going to bring it up to $2. It's not going to take very long to get there. It's going to get there very quickly. And again, watch what happens by the end of the day. If we get a close where we are above, that's going to be very bullish. Just looking at the intraday move here, we went as high as 134, and that represents a pretty substantial move. I think it's, what is that, an 11% move from the open, 12.59% move from the open. We are currently up 4.48%, looking like we're going to drive up higher. If we do get a close around this 126, 127 value area, that's going to be the highest close since the 19th of March. Very nice bullish condition. The weekly chart shows that the breakout is happening here, breakout of that bullish pennant. Everything here really does point to some increased movement higher, but just watch out for the downside, watch out for the fake outs. Cryptos are becoming more and more entangled with other instruments and other things that are traded worldwide. So if you start to see the dollar, like the 10-year and the 30-year, if they start to go up, pay attention to what's going to happen to the cryptocurrency markets, because sometimes they don't like that. They start to act like risk-on products, which means that they will sell off as opposed to move up higher. But just keep an eye on that. Watch very closely what happens. But otherwise, just looking at the market right now, it is going higher. If we do get a close above 125, I'm looking to add to it again, and we should see a ride to $2 very quickly. Thank you for watching. From all of us here at Exchange Rates UK TV, please don't forget to like and subscribe.